In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock your Robinhood account and regain access safely. If you're seeing a lock on your account, don't worry. This process is straightforward when you know what to expect, and I'll walk you through it from start to finish. Begin by opening the Robinhood app or going to the official Robinhood.com website, then try to log in as you normally would. Double check that you're on the legitimate site or app to avoid phishing, and use a private, secure internet connection. It helps to have your phone and email handy, since you may need both for verification. If your account is locked, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You may be asked to reset your password via email or text, or to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email. These steps help confirm that it's really you, especially after unusual activity, repeated failed logins, or a routine security review. When you receive a verification code or password reset link, act promptly because codes can expire quickly. If the email isn't in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder and make sure you're checking the correct email account linked to Robinhood. If multiple codes arrive, use the most recent one. Never share your code or link with anyone, and enter it only in the official app or website. Sometimes additional verification is required. Robinhood may ask you to upload a government-issued ID front and back and a proof of address like a recent utility bill or bank statement. For the clearest submission, use bright, even lighting, keep all four corners visible, avoid glare, and ensure the name and address match your account information. The ID should be valid and unaltered, and the document should be legible. Submit these documents through the official app or website only. Don't email them or send them to any third party. Use the in-app upload tool, confirm each image is attached and readable, and submit once. A stable internet connection can help prevent incomplete uploads. After submission, Robinhood will review your information. This can take a few hours to a few days, depending on volume. Keep an eye on your email and app notifications for updates, and avoid resubmitting unless you're specifically asked. Duplicate requests can slow down the review. If you're seeing issues like a negative balance or a compliance hold, reach out to Robinhood Support directly through the app or website. Provide a clear description of the message you're seeing so they can guide you efficiently. Once verification is approved, your account will be unlocked and you can log in and trade as usual. Give your account a quick check to confirm everything looks right, and you'll be back to investing with confidence.